Hello, everyone! Welcome to today's fun and interactive class. I'm Teacher Meg, and I'm so excited to have you here. In this lesson, we're going to dive deep into the ocean and explore amazing ocean animals. Through this lesson, our students will learn new vocabulary words, practice sentence patterns, play fun games, and so much more. Joining me today is my wonderful student, Lucy. Together, we'll be learning Level 3, Unit 12, Lesson 1. So get ready to have fun and learn all about ocean animals. Let's get started. Hi, Lucy. It's so great to see you today. How are you?
Hi, teacher. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Today, we're going to have a fun lesson about ocean animals. But before we start, I have a question for you. What's your favorite ocean animal?
I like dolphins. They are so cute and smart.
Wow, great choice. Dolphins are really amazing animals. I can't wait to learn more about ocean animals with you today. Are you ready to start?
Yes, teacher, I'm ready.
Awesome, let's begin. Now, let's learn some vocabulary words about ocean animals. Lucy, do you know what ocean animal this is?
It's an octopus, teacher.
That's right, Lucy. An octopus is an amazing ocean animal. It has 8 legs, which are called tentacles.
Really, teacher? Can I count them?
Sure, Lucy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're right, teacher. An octopus has 8 tentacles.
That's right. Great job. This time, let's read an example sentence. Please repeat after me. This is a hungry octopus.
This is a hungry octopus.
Fantastic, Lucy. You did a great job. Let's learn more. Now, let's learn another ocean animal. Look at this picture. Do you know what ocean animal this is?
Oh, I think it's a squid, teacher.
That's right, Lucy. This is a squid. A squid looks a little like an octopus, but it has a longer body and 2 extra tentacles for catching food.
Wow, so a squid has more tentacles than an octopus?
Yes. Now, let's read a sentence together. Please repeat after me. This squid moves fast.
This squid moves fast.
Great job, Lucy. Now, let's move on to the next ocean animal. Can you guess what animal this is?
Let me see. Oh, I think it's a seahorse.
You're right, Lucy. This is a seahorse. Did you know that seahorses are very special because the males carry the babies? Isn't that cool?
Wow, so the daddy seahorse carries the babies?
Yes, exactly. Now, let's read a sentence about seahorses. Please repeat after me. My mom likes seahorses.
My mom likes seahorses.
Lucy, you did a great job learning new ocean animal words. Now, let's have a vocabulary practice to see what you remember. Are you ready?
Yes, Teacher Meg, I'm ready.
Awesome. You have to drag the correct word into the blank to complete each sentence.
The first one is an octopus has 8 long legs. Next, a squid has a long body. Lastly, a seahorse has a head like a horse.
Great job. Now, Lucy, let's practice our sentence patterns. I'll ask you a question, and you'll answer using a complete sentence. Are you ready?
Yes, Teacher Meg, I'm ready.
Great. Here's the first question. What animal has 3 hearts?
A squid is an animal that has 3 hearts.
That's correct. Well done, Lucy. Let's try another one. What young animal gives birth to its young?
A seahorse is a male animal that gives birth to its young.
Excellent, Lucy. You did a great job. This time, let's have sentence patterns practice. You have to complete the sentences by dragging the word into the blank. What animal has 3 hearts?
I know the answer, teacher. A squid is an animal that has 3 hearts.
And what about what male animal gives birth to its young?
That's so easy, teacher. It's a seahorse.
Wow, Lucy. You did an amazing job today. You learned so many new ocean animal words, practiced sentence patterns, and even played a fun vocabulary game.
Yes, teacher. I had so much fun. My favorite part was learning about the octopus and its 3 hearts.
That's great, Lucy. Learning about ocean animals is so exciting. There are so many interesting creatures in the sea. Keep practicing the words and sentences we learned today. And don't forget to observe how amazing animals are in real life, too.
I will, teacher.
Goodbye. And thank you for learning with me, Lucy. And thank you to everyone watching. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you all for another fun lesson next time.
Bye, Teacher Meg. Bye, everyone.